Hey filmmaker, in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can start making $1,000 to $10,000 per month offering commercial campaigns to business owners, where you're leveraging video production plus paid ads on websites like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Google, even LinkedIn to generate your clients a business result. Now, to show you that this is real, here is behind the scenes of my Stripe account, where I'll refresh the page real quick to show you it's real. From August 1st to August 30th, we generated $131,000 in cash collected from 33 clients with zero dispute activities, showing that this is a legitimate business. Now, step one in running a commercial campaign is you have to do the video production, because with all great marketing and advertising, it starts with telling a story, getting a message in front of a target audience. And that means you, as the filmmaker, are the most important person in this equation, because you are an expert at telling stories. And as you can see here on Forbes, it says after watching a video, 64% of users are more likely to buy a product online. The source here is HubSpot, which Forbes, a pretty reputable source, is saying. And that's an amazing thing, right? Video is that powerful, and that's what you use. It's your medium of choice. Now, once we are creating these videos that tell our clients stories, we want to distribute them. And so we do that leveraging paid ads like Facebook and Google and YouTube. And here's an example on Facebook for a financial advisor, where you have a video, we create it, we run it, and we put it out there in front of our target audience with different mechanisms, different distribution targeting. And as you can see, the result of that is from August 1st to August 31st here, we have $25,000 in ad spend, 788,000 people saw these videos, and 263 people decided to book a call with this particular business owner. Now, why would a business owner ever spend $25,000 on ads? Well, it has to do with the fact that they're bringing in a lot more than that, over $100,000 per month in sales from $25,000 in ad spend, which is why commercial campaigns are so immensely powerful. It's why we run them for our own business, we run them for our clients' businesses, and you can start doing the exact same thing today to generate $1,000 to $10,000 a month in consistent, predictable cash flows for your video production company. So no more just working project to project, no more slaving, putting your blood, sweat, and tears into a video that goes on a YouTube channel that is only seen by your client's wife, best friend, and dog 3 or 4 times, right? We want to get that video that you care about and your client cares about in front of the right people. And it's a lot easier to do that with paid ads than trying to get something to go viral, right? There's no way to predict virality, but with paid ads, I know every single month I put a couple $1,000s in, I'm seen by brand new people, and as long as I'm bringing my client in $2 for every one they invest in this campaign, we're happy. So if you would like to start offering commercial campaigns to your clients, I've put together a free training that walks you step by step through how to do this, how to position, package, price, and even run these types of campaigns for your clients. I go behind the scenes on more campaigns just like this one, and I'm happy to share it all with you for free. So click the link below. Don't be like those people who watch ads like this and see a real opportunity, a real business, and say, nah, that can't work for me. Be like the people, like our clients, who actually get results. And I'll have a couple things flash here on the screen of some of the results. We've helped more filmmakers and video creators than any film school or online program start getting video retainer clients just like this. You can do it too. If they can do it, why not you? Let's make it happen. At least explore the free training, and I'll see you there. So click the link below right now.